Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Okay, yeah, tested. Yes, we are live. We are live. Okay, let me share the stream link. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Let's roll in. My mouse is dead. Okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. So, okay, 4 hour candle is closed. It's 2 a.m. EST. It's 1 hour. 1 hour before London Open. Volume time. Let's get started. Let's get started, guys. Okay, let me fix it. All right. What is going in here? Sadiq and Telegram book filing. Okay. Someone took a loss there. No volume. Fuck. That's why I don't like to trade before before the session, right? For this reason. It was 11 a.m. IST. Fuck it. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's start the top-down analysis, right? We start from daily. I have already marked my levels over there. Okay, now for sake of new people, I'll mark it again. Let's scale all the mess. I usually start from monthly, but there is nothing on monthly. So I'll jump on the next lower time frame. Next lower time frame is weekly. So we do have a level over here. It's a weekly open. We'll see how these level align at the lower time frame on 30 minutes or 1 hour or 4 hours. This is the weekly open. And here we also have our daily resistance, right? DSR candle is pushing down. Sorry, DSR and WSR. So this is a strong zone. Just take a pause, hold. Why are you pushing so much? 4 hours. See, we also have this zone on 4 hour. I told you this will be a very strong rejection zone. So it is there is a also 4 hour resistance. So it is a pretty wide zone. There are high possibility price will reject or give a fake out in this area. Right? We'll see. What else do we have on daily? Here candle flipped and started. So I mark it as a daily open. Daily open. We see our previous candle closed bearish with a strong rejection and whole big body candle. We call it the engulfing of or fucking candle, gladiator candle. You can call it anything, right? And now price picked up, flipped, and pushing right back to this support area. We'll see price will reject from this zone or this zone. Our first observation area is this, right? And only it's just the new. So daily is bullish, 4 hour is also bullish. Nice. I was aiming to this range, but now it's getting filled. Fuck it. Okay, let's mark it. Daily open, 4 hour resistance is over there, but we have a zone 2 hours. See how beautiful it was. I know, but it was not my trading time. People call it A plus, you can call it anything. Clean range, nice setup. I seen that setup, but I was expecting a big up, then move down. But as soon as 4 hour opened, it it just dropped heavily. So clean range, A plus setup 1 hour before London Open. I was waiting for this candle to wake up, then break its lows. But it is what it is. It is just 6 minutes till open and it filled the range. Though great setup. Let's move to the 1 hour time frame, right? Pretty messed up range. Holy crap. We have a minor resistance over there. Let me mark it another color. 1 hour. We'll see how the price will react to it. This is the 1 hour zone. See, the level we marked on weekly and daily and 4 hour is also aligning on this time frame on 30 on 1 hour. We can take a pullback if it give us some kind of setup. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is why I love to mark my zone on higher time frame. So yeah, congratulations the people who took him took an entry over there. Continuation, breakout, whatever you call it. See, this candle has no wick on the top. Fucking small range today. How much is this range? 50, 50, 60 pips range. Okay. We can easily grab like 20, 30 pips. I got something there. But this is daily open. We'll see how will it play. Yeah, no doubt. It was a great setup, but candle was not picked up and I am not comfortable of taking these trades. Candle without wick. Raja says these are the high volume candle, these push down. Yeah, these are high volume candles. But my data shows I have lost so many trades when there is no wick. So I don't prefer to take these impulse trade. How you doing, guys? Just comment, do like or subscribe. Oh, 3 people already like. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. I show up every day at 2 AM EST and do this top-down analysis. I trade with community. We'll trade together, guys. If you show up every day. Yeah, let's see what others are doing. 40 pips, someone grabbed 40 pips. Yeah, see, that was the 13-minute time frame. Okay, this was another great trades. Gold, clean. Yeah, clean move. Someone just passed the count. Congratulations. Okay, wow, holy crap. Holy, what a volume in London. I think yesterday the volume came before, right? Let's see, 1817. Let's put it at 2 a.m. Let's see when the volume came yesterday. So it is 2 a.m. East. Yeah, after that candle, the price was melted. Yesterday volume was not that strong. Retracement C, but the same setup was also printed yesterday, right? Crazy volume. I'll wait for a pullback. Crazy. Just see the same setup. The same setup also formed yesterday. Support. Candle goes below this. Next candle has a small wick, break the lows and fucked up. We'll see what will happen. Price dropped a lot. What's your plan? What are you planning, guys? You can comment, you can chat. Are you in trades? Okay, let's see what others are doing. Who is live? Who is live? Who is live? Daniel will be live at 3. Casser is live. He will be live by 2:30 AM EST. Maybe. We'll see. No one is live. So I'm hoping of a pullback will get, if any pullback will get. No doubt. I love this setup. It is what it is. See what happens. What will happen? I'm just waiting. Okay, guys, I'm waiting for a pullback or something to fake out, something like that. Or if it creates a support, long wick, steeper wick creates a support, then I'll plan a buy, counter trend buys, 20 to 30 pips, and I will be out. No wick on 4 hour. No clean range on the left. Yeah, Nian, bro. I'm just waiting for retracement. Exactly. I hope you had a great trade, right? After that loss, have you taken any trade? I think. Waiting for retracement. Gold structure is bearish, so high probability will wait for a pullback, making lower lows and lower highs. The only thing is the price is in currently rejection zone, right? Daily rejection zones. So in this scenario, pullback is a holy grail. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Just wait for a pullback. Pull back, waiting for retracement. Unemployment claims today we have at 30 a.m. Fuck man. Gold will gonna go crazy, crazy. Gold will go crazy, crazy, crazy. Someday I'll call Chaitanya to join my live stream. Chaitanya and Shivaji. Guys, do join his group, right? Join this group. Okay, let me see if I can share the, yeah, join SRC also. So waiting for a retracement. Okay, okay, okay. This 15-minute candle is start kissing down, but not a clean range. So many rejections over there. Remember, 4 hour has no upper wick. What was on Wanda? Let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Wanda has beautiful setup, right? 4 hour created wick, flipped, gone. This was also a nice setup based on 4 hour time frame. On Wanda, 56 pip easily in for 1 to 1. Yeah, could aim for 1 to 1. Yes, nice. But I don't trade or based on Forex. And I did based on this time frame. Right. How many years are you following SRC? From 2022, I knew about Raja and his trading style. After that, I started seeing videos of them. Started following him late 2022 in December, and I started trading his style from 2023 Jan or Feb. Yeah, so you can say like from the last 2 years, I knew Raja. close to like 3 years, right? Yeah, 3 years. 30-minute candle, 30 minute, right? Yeah, 30-minute candle is closed. Holy move. I'll not take it. It can be a dangerous thing. It can be a dangerous move. If it goes, goes. Fuck it. What others are waiting for? Let's see. If this 15-minute candle closes like this, and next candle breaks its high, I'll take a buy to move back up. It will be a far better to take impulse entry right now. I'll wait. I will wait. I will wait for my setup to form. Yeah, people will take impulse entry after break of this height because the candle moved a lot. But the only concern is it can reject. It may go for 20 to 30 pips, but I don't have confidence in that impulse buys. So I'll wait for a high probability setup. Okay, but let me note it down. Let me journal it, right? So what is the context? Context is here. Price reached, price tapped, weekly and daily SR, high rejection zones. Let me set up the context. I'll collect data on this kind of setup, and in future I will, if my data suggests, I'll take trades. So 15 minutes closed police. See, just flip back. Fuck it. Before 20, 24, right? 24 minutes of London Open. It's just going to fill the wick. These are high rejection zones. That's why I was not comfortable for the buys over. Okay, now if it closes red, it will do some gilly gilly. It's stopped out all the buyers. It has stopped out all the buyers, early buyers. It breaks its highs, took liquidity, now pushing down. The only thing is left is not a clean range and price is high rejection area. It may drop, but there is are no clean ranges. Actually, on 15 minutes below this, we have some clean range for about like 40 pips, right? Is it clean on 30 minutes or 40 pips? And I hate these kind of ranges. We'll see. The only good thing is price has taken liquidity from above. And if the London Open volume came, it may drop for 20 to 30 pips. Okay, let me focus on my work. Actually, I have to do some work of my. Okay, let me roll in. Let me roll in. Okay, so 15-minute candle goes weak. 30 minutes is what it is. It creates a resistance. Candle flipped. Sorry, I'm not comfortable to taking this sell. But momentum is reducing and lovely. If 15-minute candle closes like this, then high probability it will close us in this support in this rejection area, then high probability next candle wick down and move back up. Let's see. 8 minutes to London Open. He is live also. Yeah, he is also waiting for the same setup.
All right, so I just having some kind of internet connection issue, and the team is actually here. So just waiting actually. Yes, as you said, I started to trade in volume of opening London and NY session. Will you give me good opportunity and good result for me with 1 to 2 trades a day? Yeah, just stick with 1 to 2 trades actually. So far, I understand that getting profitable is only possible by risk management. Yeah, exactly. That makes sense. Only risk management is the only thing which will keep you like a profitable. You know what? Even with the 50 or 60% profitable ratio, you could like make some money if you just like having proper grip on risk management. So just waiting. There is like 6 minutes left for the candle to close, and I'm just like waiting right now. Just waiting. चले जाओ आप ऊपर से चले जाओ. हाँ चले जाओ डिवाइस खींच लो इसको. ठीक है हो जाएगा. Okay, so just waiting. Wow, I think so. We're just gonna get some kind of opportunity here. If this current M15 candle just going to be close above the previous candle high, So there's a very high probability with the volume or with the opening of London, I could grab something. At least like the rejection on the left hand side. Look at this one. It's still having like a range in it, I would say. But for that, for buys, I would say candle should have to be close above the resistance. That only makes sense. And there's just like 5 minutes left for the candle to close, and I would like to see how this candle is about to be closed actually. So
Same,
30
same,
minute 30 minute also
same
showing
plan.
as well that it's just like losing the volume here. For how many years you are trading right now? It's been like more than 4.5 years right now. I'm like still learning and fighting with this market. So yeah, so just waiting, just waiting.
Mm.
Okay.
Price losing the momentum.
All right, so there's just like 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left for the candle to close, and I'm just like looking at this thought. You know what? Even this 30-minute candle is going to be closed with a small body. It could be an impulse entry in trend. Look at the way how the 50-minute just reacting right now. It could be impulse entry in trend, and for that I would like to see this 30-minute candle. The next 30-minute candle should have to be creative. We can break the low, so it can continuously pushing to the downside. So 50-minute candle just about to be closed in 2 minutes, and I would like to see how just like going to be closed. Let's see. H1. It's getting interesting actually. If I just like execute below this whole rejection on the left hand side, 40 pip stop loss. Wow. If I just like wait for the candle to break below this whole rejection on the left hand side, so it could be very risky one, and it could be like a biggest stop loss I'm just going to be get there. Interesting.
I don't like
Okay,
this rejections at all.
just waiting. 1 minute left for the opening of London actually. How can I maintain my win rate at least around 60%? What are you suggesting to maintain it? Mine is very low. So just like go through the proper educational content, what we just like providing every day. Stick with the plans,
It pips
and once your plan like printed on
24
the chart, what you
pips.
actually just wanted to see, then just like execute on that one. And if it's just
It's
like never
London
worked out,
Open.
just do manage the risk. Don't do not do any kind of compromise with the risk management. That's all we just like need to do. There is no compromise with the risk management. So just waiting. Okay, what is the difference in your hi? What is the
Hello,
different in your
hello,
marking between gray zone and orange zone?
hello.
It's just like a support we just having. So 15 minute, 30 minute can just close with a small body, and 50 minutes just like close as a impulse entry here. 15 minute. So if we just like break the low, can I give my trade a chance here by placing stop loss above the current candle high? Is it a forceful trade? And if I just like can see on a 30 minute just like close with a small body. If I just look at H1 just like close within the range on the rejection on the left hand side. M30, M15. Actually, you know what? Sells make sense if it just like break below this previous 30-minute time frame. I don't want it to execute somewhere here where we're just having like another rejection, because if it just like broke below this rejection and this both rejection on the left hand side, stop loss still could be like a 23 pips, but it could be an impulse entry in trend on a 30-minute time frame. It's just like pushing to the downside. Let me just see if it's just like going to break below the previous 30-minute time frame. Wait for candle close. It's opening of London, and I would like to depend on the volume actually. The previous candle just closed with a small body. If it's just like going to close with a small body, then there's no business of this current candle to break the low of the previous one. If it just like break the low of the previous one, there is a probability we are having volume, and it could continuously pushing to the downside. I think so. I executed early. I think so. I executed early. I would like to see volume to break the low and continuously pushing to the downside. I would like to see this candle to break the low and continuously pushing to the downside. I just executed early. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. Damn. Should have waited at least like it should be break below the low of this rejection on the left hand side. Now I would like to see volume should continuously pushing it to the downside. This is the only thing can help me out right now, or I should need to close the trade actually. Okay, volume, come on, help me out. You should have to be break the low. It's a early execution. I just clicked early actually. Should have wait at least the candle should have to be break the low of the previous candle low. If you just look at 30-minute time frame, this candle should have to be break the low of the previous candle. It's a mistake have done here. I should wait for this one.
I think he took a loss.
Damn. Give my trade a second chance with the same concept, but now I will wait for the candle to break the low of the actually if it's just like going to break its own low, then it makes sense. Otherwise it's just like a early entry, not a good thing. Executed early by mistake. Damn.
Okay.
See this one, see this one. Yeah, drop the volume, pushing to the upside. We are having like rejection here. If we just like break above all the rejection on the left hand side, can I give my trade a chance here? Let me just see. M30, M30. Now it would be great if I just like wait for the candle to close. It would be great actually.
This felt just this felt this big.
Okay. All right. Damn. Look at this
Fuck
one.
it. I'm just waiting for candle, this 15-minute candle to close in this
Look
range,
at the
and
risk management.
next I'll
See
take
this
the
one.
buys.
I can read the candle that I just executed early. So there's a high probability if I just like never close my trade, my stop loss, my trade, my stop loss, my now my drawdown could be like more
Awesome,
than
awesome risk
40 pips.
management.
But I just like managed to close my trade in
Even
within
risk
20 pips
management.
actually. Yeah, Just like breaking above the high actually right now. Breaking above the
This was my
30-minute
plan
high.
initially, and now it is. I'm just waiting for 15-minute candle, this 15-minute candle to close. Next
Breaking
candle,
above all the rejection.
big
But
down,
I
will
just like not having the
take
gut
buys
feeling that
after
it will
break of
continuously
the
pushing upside.
highs
You know why?
to
I
move
still
back up.
feel that if I just wanted to take a buy, I would like to see this candle should have to be close above the resistance. So then I can go for the buys.
If it
I
goes,
will
it
wait.
goes.
I will wait actually. I'm just not going to
Yeah,
be
he's
change my
also
bias
planning the
quickly.
same.
If I just wanted to change my bias for the buys, I would like to see at least a 50-minute candle should have to be close in my favor. Then I would say that I should have to be go to change my bias. If I just gonna miss this move, it is okay. I
Oh,
already had a plan for the sells. I just give my trade a chance. It's like a mistake. I just like as I just executed, I understand it's a mistake have done here. So probability it could continuously pushing.
if this candle goes down, goes up, I don't have any plan for buys for these of impulse buys. The only good thing is price is pushing in weekly and daily high rejection zones. So there is high probability it can push up, give a push to upside. But we'll see how it goes. Just waiting for a candle to close like this. Then I'll take a shot. Clear? Plan is clear. Our plan is awesome. Have you guys taken any trades right now? How is your day going, guys? Anyone of you took any trades? Just comment. What is going on? Yeah, price is pushing up. Use stop loss. Was around 50 pips of stop loss. Yeah, high chances it will fill the pic. It's moving far from zone. Nothing for me.
To the upside, so I just have to be when candle closes above the resistance, the price has already moved. It would be better to wait for structure to form. Yeah, exactly. Look at this one, just like moved 50 pips already. Okay, the trend is bearish also. Yeah, trend is bearish, but look at the 15-minute time frame. Once market just stopped somewhere and start doing consolidation, it's mean trend just stopped there. There is no trend then just like going on. So right now we are just like doing consolidation. Now that the current candle breaking above the high, if the current candle just like going to be closed in a bullish form, so trend could be changed for the it will become now in a bullish one structure. So look at this one. Before it just like continuously pushing upside, it start doing the consolidation. So consolidation, or if the candle just start printing side by side, so trend just stop there. Cash by your first bias was buy, so I think we must have waited for the candle to close above resistance so that we could have taken the buy. By the way, I did not like the sell plan, so did not take took sell. Yeah, that makes sense, but it's like a mistake I have just done. Should have to wait for the candle to break this low at least. I was just not wanted to execute somewhere here. I would like to
Just
execute
waiting
if this
for
current candle break the low of the previous candle low, it could be an impulse entry in the trend. But look at this one. If I just like, if I can zoom
now we
it,
can wait
you
for a
can see
pullback.
it did not break the low of the previous candle. The ask and bid price did not broke the low of the previous candle low. So it's like an invalid setup. I just executed mistakenly, and as I just like executed, if you just like rewatch the stream, you will see as I executed, I just start saying I executed early. It's a mistake I've done. So I just like need to manage the risk. I could not like hold on with this with the to try to predict the market. If it's just like going to break its own opening price, very high probability it could continuously pushing to the upside. So if I just like never never close my position by managing the risk at 16 17 pips, what could be my what could be my loss actually right now? It could be more than 150%. Why what I have just lose there's just 26 $27 there. So see this one, what I'm just like talking right now. And now it's just like move more than 80 pips. Just need to wait for some new structure to be formed, to be honest. Wow, 15-minute candle just closed, and it just like closed far away from the rejection area. 50 pip move, It is whatever it is. Sometimes what happened? We have a plan, but we cannot become a part of that plan. It is whatever it is. This is called for us actually. You have some plans with you, and you just wanted to execute with your plan, but you cannot be a part of that one. It is whatever it is. But sometimes it happen. One mistake and should have to be paid for that one. Okay, I think we need a support to be formed for a buy. Yeah, just like doing consolidation now, it's just like broke the consolidation area and continuously pushing upside. I would like to see a 30-minute time frame to see. I just wanted to see how this 30-minute candle is just about to be closed. It's very important for me. This 30 minutes still open, and I wanted to see how this 30-minute candle is just about to be closed. It's very important to see because 50 minutes just like already moved a lot. Look at this one. You know what? If I just like never give my trade a chance for the sells here, then definitely might be I just gonna give my trade a chance for the buys. But as I just like took already one loss, I cannot flip my bias quickly. If I just wanted to change my bias, I would like to see something on the table what I actually just wanted to see there. So
Candle close far from the low.
yeah, actually I have to stick with. Might be today someone just like saying it's like there was like a opportunity and he just like did not took a buy there. Even he can take a buy. So here's the thing we just like need to understand. It's just not going to be happen all the time. If you just like if I'm just like sticking with the same rule, might be if I just attempt the same thing 10 times, 7 to 8 times, it will work for me, and 3 to 4 times is just not gonna work for me. And if I just like flip myself to the other side, like changing my bias within few minutes, so there's a higher probability 7 to 8 times I'm just gonna take the loss, and 2 3 times might be just like going in my favor. So yes, like it's like very important to stick with the plans. I agree. Need to have a good structure for now to be more confidence in sales for now. Yeah, exactly. It's just like no sales right now for me. We'll see.
Will it do
Wow, just like
this or do this?
doing
We'll see.
consolidation and then break up of the high. But 30 minutes still open.
We'll see.
We'll see. You know what? If this 30-minute candle is going to be closed in a bullish form and the 50-minute candle is going to be closed in a bearish form, so then I can see that I am having like a resistance and support area. And then if the next candle create a week can break above the high of the previous bearish 50-minute time frame candle. Okay, I am having some issue with my YouTube. Just
It would be good to see if a structure forms like this. So break above, candle goes red. Next candle break up, down. I'll take I'll take if it formed like something that what happened with the screen. Nothing for me. There is nothing for me. We can't do anything right now. The only thing I can do is to wait. just I've just marked general this trade for next time. If this happen next time, I will be able to take. I will have data to take this trade. Yeah, see. I think earlier I have something I have written this kind of trade in my journal. I remember this trade, this kind of setup. I remember in that time I took buys here. I remember this trade. So guys, I'm going to close the streams right now. It's going to be a 4 a.m. EST. No trades for me. No trading day for me. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye.